For today's dessert, we recommend preparing the reform cake. Add some rum to your raisins. Smash the walnuts using a rolling pin. Crack the eggs and divide the yolks from the eggs. Put the egg whites in a mixing bowl and the egg yolks in another bowl. Mix the egg whites. Add 10 tablespoons of sugar. Put the mixed egg whites in another bowl. Put some flour in the crushed walnuts and mix. Add the mixture in the egg whites foam. Add the raisins and the rum and mix. Take a baking pan and cover the surface with butter. Put the entire mixture in the pan. And bake for 20 minutes at 175. For the filling, while mixing the egg yolks, add 8 tablespoons of sugar. Once the sugar melts, stop mixing. Put the mixture in a pan and bake it on steam. Add baking chocolate in the pan and mix until the chocolate melts. Once the cream gets a good consistency, stop boiling. Take out the dough from the oven and cut it vertically. Place 1/2 onto a plate. Add butter in the pan with the cream and mix until the butter melts. Put the filling on top of the first half of the dough. After putting the second layer of dough, cover the entire cake with the leftover filling. Mix some white cream until it gets foamy. Use the foam to decorate the cake. For decoration, you can also use crushed walnuts. Let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Bon appetit!